the discussion there.
Yes, see, it is the normal agenda as with every election. BSc, all members of every political party is there. It was a very cordial meeting and normal business is there.
No, normal business of only 2 days, sir.
What do you expect when it is the fag end of the term of this particular assembly? People were first thinking we will not hold a session, but true to our commitment in the last time around we had said we will have a session so that whatever little business remains of the last session, we will carry forward to the next session and do appropriate business as is expected of a legislative assembly.
But every now and then assemblies have been curtailed. So what answers can people go expect then?
See, when we are just coming out of the pandemic and we don't know as yet whether we are totally out of the pandemic. In such a situation, you want us to be propagators of larger gatherings, of larger mixing of officials as well, and then try to spread the virus.
No, but you are talking about larger gathering. Then most of the larger gatherings are seen in these big programs now, which are being held by
everything is being relaxed in a phased manner. And as I said, don't forget this is the fag end of the term of this legislative assembly, and therefore it is but appropriate that we have only a 2-day session.
This could be the last assembly session, or it is?
It is the last assembly session. I don't think any other session can take place as far as the term of this assembly is concerned.
When you talk about the end of the assembly session, you think that BJP or your government has done enough as far as answering questions and everything in the assembly session?
See, today assembly is supposed to be the August House, supposed to elicit answers on everything that is important which affects the people of Goa. But don't forget, under RTI, the common man also has become equally important. All sorts of replies are elicited from all departments, from every corner, the whole year round. So it is basically become a very transparent system, which was not the case before.
पूण तुमकां दिसता 5 वर्सांनी असेंब्ली सेशन जे केंद्रान गव्हर्मेंट हेज सगळें सारकें केलां वो म्हणजे लोकांक कितें जाणा जावपाक जाता असेंब्ली सेशनांतल्यान घातलां सगळें?
Of course, I have no doubt about that. We have never been afraid to answer any question or to give any reply. आणि लोकां जी माहिती मेळपा जाय ती माहिती आमी दिला.
सो सर दोनूच दीस असेंब्ली सेशनाक सो ऑपोजिशनान कितें
ना कांयच ना. बिलकुल ना. It was a very cordial meeting. It was a very cordial meeting.
So everybody was on one.
Everybody was on the same page. I think now everybody is thinking of the forthcoming election, even though they have not been declared.
Afraid or unafraid?
Huh?
Afraid or unafraid?
Everybody is thinking, I said. I never said afraid. Huh? Highlight, I said it is normal business. Yeah.
Bills basically, government bills.
Only government bills will be there, which are always there.
Okay.
Bhumiputra Adhikari bill.
No, that the Bhumiputra Adhikari bill, we are not tabling it at all.
Okay, so then not.
No.
So what does it mean, that it is scrapped or what it is?
Left, sir.
Left, yeah.
It will be allowed to lapse because government felt had a rethink and felt that it needs much more wider consultation, which we will do in the next assembly session, because with the new assembly, with the new government, then everything will be new.
Where you will also be
required.
Where you will also be there.
It is for the people to decide.
So one more thing, there is this question between Goa Miles and private packages started in the what do you like to say?
See, this is going to be an ongoing tussle. I have said very clearly what is my stand. I have spelled out. Like tomorrow, I am handing over 2 counters at the airport, which were lying with tourism, which they had given to Goa Miles to use. I am handing them over to the taxi operators, black and yellow taxi operators. Not 1 counter, but 2 counters. 1 counter we are keeping for KTC. So any emergency, we have our own counter. Last time we faced a problem. And certain routes in due course of time, once the electrical buses come, point to point I want to have electrical buses. So people have a choice of travelling in the bus as well in luxury. So it is not anybody's monopoly. It is high time that we realize that in tourism, we have to see the interest of the tourist, see the interest of the Goan, the common man as far as travelling comfort is concerned, even those who arrive by flight, not have a situation where in the past there was like a monopoly, whatever they charge, even if it is 5 times, 10 times, people were forced to pay. Now with the digital meter, it is not the case anymore.
So, but what action is going to be taken on these people who is taking the law in the hand? This taxi drivers.
What is that?
They are taking the law in the, they are